What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Today, guys, I'm excited. We got some dope cases from VRS Design. As you can see, we got the Flip 4 on deck, and we got two cases, guys. The QuickStand series, that's for like an active lifestyle. As you can see, the Terra Guard series for the Z Flip 4. So shout out to VRS Design for sending this over. We're gonna get into the QuickStand. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the Terra Guard off to the side. Let's see what's in the packaging. Okay, guys, so two-part case. Looks pretty simple. As you can see, on the inside of each case is a piece of like 3M tape, double-sided 3M tape that you peel off. But we also have instructions if you need those. But as you can see, we got some hinge protection here, so that's very dope. We got a nice little kickstand. Go ahead and put it on the device and let y'all check it out. Okay, guys, what we got here is a very protective case. This is the QuickStand. This is the most protective. This is not the most protective out the two, and this is metal black, but it's like a gunmetal type colorway, as you see. And we got a little kickstand on the back, and there's probably a lot you could do with this kickstand because you guys know this is the Flip already, and we can already do a lot with the Flip and the kickstand. So definitely a dope little additions because you can get it on a horizontal or you can get it on the vertical, and basically that's great for consuming content like BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got some branding on the kickstand itself. We got makeshift screws, very rugged looking case, and you got quite a bit of hinge protection there for your hands just to keep it safe and keep it from getting scratched up if that's what you into, guys. So if you live in an active lifestyle and you can use a kickstand, this was probably definitely a dope case. Nice big cutout though for your fingerprint scanner. You're gonna want that because you don't want a case that's too bulked up around your fingerprint scanner. You may have a hard time reading it. As you can see, nice protection, raised up lip even around the outside little display, guys, and the cameras. So very nice case. Let's take a look on the inside of the case. Little raised up lip protection, but you really on these foldables, right? Most of the time when you're carrying your phone and you could possibly drop it, the device is actually going to be closed probably. So it's probably most important to protect that outside screen. But as you can see, nice clean case, guys. Nice little, doesn't affect the closing. It still operates the same, but just very protected. So let's go ahead and get to the next case. So this is the Terra Guard series, guys. Let's go ahead and get it out. See what we got going on here. This one has a little bit more extreme protection. So we got everything out. We got the instructions, but we don't follow the rules. Now this looks very dope, guys. Looks very dope. As you can see, two-part, and it's almost like two materials. You got a hard polycarbonate on the outside, then you got like a softer, I'm not sure, I don't think this is TPU, but it's maybe like a softer polycarbonate, some type of rubber material. As you can see, Terra Guard Active Design for Life. I like this. This is super hinge protection right here, guys. Definitely some real hinge protection going on with this thing, guys. And I just love this unique pattern and these makeshift screws and this VSR branding. Looks really good. The design looks really good, looks super rugged. And this is like a gunmetal gray design also. So up here, you definitely gonna have your front screen on a raised lip. If you look at how that's recessed, very nice. So just the same type design with offering a lot of protection for your Flip. So let's see how it looks on the Flip. Very unique design on this case, guys. Very unique. I'm feeling this design, really good look. I like this hinge protection. This hinge protection is actually very different, guys. So as you can see, we got the hinge here. It is not really connected to anything. Like we don't have that piece of TPU like on the QuickStand case. What we got here actually is just, you remove the stickers right here and you get two magnets that basically stick to the hinge on the Flip. So it sticks like that. When you open it up, just slides open like this. Now look at that. That's very dope, guys. Very dope, super protective. If you go on the war and you got a Flip 4, this is the type of case that you're gonna want. I mean, you gotta just take a look at it, guys. So you can see all the different little designs, little different parts of TPU, all bolstered up around the outside display. Nice gunmetal, VSR designs, just a good rugged look. Hard and TPU plastic going on all around this bad boy, guys. Very dope case. VSR designs, screws, I'm loving it. I love the different textures, things of that nature. On the side, what we got going on, guys, is we actually got some grips. So I say grip is a big part of drop protection. The better the grip, the less likely you are to drop your case. And boom, you still got a piece, you still got some holes for the hook a lanyard up to this thing. Just a very dope case, guys. Look, nice, still nice big cutouts for your fingerprint scanner. That's always important. But I love this case, guys. I love the look on this case. Let's just open it up and see how it looks on the inside. Very protective, very rugged. I mean, it does not, it covers a little bit of the bezel, but not too intrusive. This does make this case a little bit more, it's a little, it's minimal bulky. It's bulky, but it's not super bulky, as you can see. And definitely this will protect your device in a drop or in a situation. Big shout out to VRS. This is the first time I put my hands on the Terra Guard. Very protective case here, guys. I'm impressed. So I'll definitely put links down in the description. But it's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed and follow me on Twitter and Instagram, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG. I'm out. Peace.